Why don't you use latex thickener? You should use latex thickener. Latex thickener. Latex thickener. Why don't you use latex thickener? You should use latex thickener. Latex thickener. Latex thickener.
So of course everybody that's watching this video that's familiar with your regular liquid latex for mould making will know what this is and will most likely know what the thickener is as well. Well, I don't like it, so we can check that out of the way. I don't like it. And I just use this purely on its own. So I get asked lots and lots and lots of times why I don't use a latex thickener, or you should use latex thickener. You can use latex thickener if you want to. I prefer not to use latex thickener, and the reason is I don't see any benefit in using latex thickener with the things that I use liquid latex for, so which is mainly moulds. I don't see any benefit in saving any time. For instance, if you thicken up your latex, you're just making it thicker and therefore it takes longer to dry. And I prefer to build my layers of latex on a mould, just one single layer at a time, let that dry to the until I've got the right amount of or the appropriate amount of layers on that particular mould, and job done. I think you get a neat mould that way. I don't get on with latex thickener. I don't like latex thickener, and I don't want to use latex thickener, and that's it. So like I say, if anybody wants to use latex thickener, go ahead. If they prefer using latex thickener, then use latex thickener, but I don't like using latex thickener. So anyway, like I say, I've done this video. Instead of responding to each time somebody asks me about latex thickener, I could just put a link to this video in the description or the comment, and that's job done. So there we are. Anyways, got some more videos coming up soon, and hope all is well, and see everybody soon. So over and out for now.